Dr. Crusher here, back again. You may be wondering why I'm dressed so relatively nicer. It's my beautiful assistant's birthday, and we're going out to celebrate. So I'm dressed just a little better than I usually do. What are we doing today, though? We are crushing lowest common multiple. There's two things you're going to really need to know going forward. LCM, lowest common multiple, and GCF. Don't get them confused. It's very important. They're very, very different things. They're related, but they're different things. Today we're doing lowest common multiple, which is also known as LCD. Why? Because typically the multiples that we're looking for are coming from the denominator, D for denominator. So you'll see it as LCM, more usually LCD. And that's what we're gonna crush today. All right. My beautiful assistant, whose birthday we're celebrating today, will go over to the blackboard. We're gonna be finding, focus in? Okay. We're gonna be finding the lowest common multiple of 20 and 30. And there's a number of steps that you want to take. First step is to get the prime factorization of each number. We did that last video, you may remember. Last video we did the prime factorization. So here, back to the blackboard, we got the prime factorization, and I'm using exponents of 20 and 30. And you'll notice that in the first stage, there's a 3 under the 5. I don't know if that bothers you, but it bothers me. I don't like different numbers in the same line. So the second step is to say, what are all the primes, not the exponents, what are all the primes that I'm using in both numbers? Well, I got a 2, a 3, and a 5. Here's a 2, there's a 2 again, I don't need repeats. There's a 3, there's a 5, and another 5 that's repeating. So the next step, and here's where you need to... my beautiful assistant is saying something. Talk out loud. What?
Make the
I'm sorry.
So they can see it.
Okay. That's a 3. 2, 3, and 5. So now the next step is to write 20 and 30 as the product of every prime in the universe. 20 is 2 times 3 times 5, and 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. But wait, you say, Dr. Crusher, 20 is not 2 times 3 times 5. Hold on. We're going to turn the blackboard around. Ha ha! Okay. 20 is 2 squared times 3 to the 0. You said correctly, there's no 3's in 20. That's why we put a 0 there. And there's 1, 5. 30, there's 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5. You'll notice some of these are circled. The next step, for each prime, you choose the prime with the larger exponent. 2 is greater than 1, 2 squared. 1 is greater than 0, 3 to the 1. Neither one is circled, it's a push. 1 is 1, so 5 to the 1. You then multiply those 3 results. 2 squared times 3 to the 1 times 5 to the 1 is 60. Note, it's not the product of the two numbers. A lot of people seem to just multiply the numbers and they get a number that's too big. We want the lowest common multiple. That's how you crush it. Okay, it's been fun. I hope you enjoyed the video.